Welcome back, this is Larry. So, if you ever wondered how the old 70s four-wheel drive works in these trucks and how well does it work, well, we're in 4 high right now. As you see, we got some snow. Let's see how this truck takes off, just regular driving. This is snow. It just pulls off, and this is the most snow that I've ever seen here in North Carolina, where I'm at currently. And it drives. You can't even tell there's any snow on the road. It pulls off. So if you ever wonder how good the four-wheel drive works in one of these old trucks, better than your modern truck. You don't need traction control and all that fancy crap. This truck, it just goes. I could drive this truck anywhere and feel completely safe. It just takes the turns really good, doesn't slip and slide. If I was going real fast, I'm sure it would, but I just gas it a little bit and it just pulls right along in this snow, no problem. Stops good and everything. We'll take this turn right here, show you how it turns. It just takes the turn with no issues. It's like regular driving. Don't have to worry about a thing. And now, let's see the difference between the four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive. So in these trucks, you want to go back two-wheel drive, you shift to neutral, push it back in 2 high, put it back to drive, and now we're in two-wheel drive. And now, look at there. It's sliding any way you want. And that will still get up. I could put it in a second, it would pull off a little bit better, but still slide on takeoff. And once you're going, it'll still handle it, but I gas it a little bit. And we're Tokyo drifting up in here. So yeah, in case anybody was wondering how the four-wheel drives worked on these trucks and how well they perform and stuff like this, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Built Ford tough. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. Take care.